I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will disable background running immediately. First, open Chrome and go to Settings, then System. Turn off Continue Running Background Apps to stop extensions and apps from persisting. Once done, close every Chrome window and right-click the system tray icon to choose Exit so processes end cleanly. If you prefer keyboard control, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and look for any Chrome exe instances. End them to force a full stop. This ensures Chrome won't silently consume resources. Now you prevent Chrome from auto-restarting. Open Settings on Startup and set a specific page or new tab rather than continuing where you left off. This avoids relaunch triggers. Next, audit extensions. Go to Chrome, //extensions and remove or disable any that request background permission because they can keep a process alive. Then check Windows Startup and Task Scheduler or Mac OS login items to remove Chrome entries. Once cleaned, Chrome will stop relaunching itself between sessions and free system resources. Finish by cleaning remaining traces and handling stubborn cases. Clear cache and site data in Settings Privacy and Security so corrupted data doesn't trigger background tasks, and restart your computer. If Chrome still runs in background, reset settings or reinstall. Uninstall fully, delete the user profile folder if necessary, then install fresh. As a key troubleshooting tip, create a new Chrome profile to test. If the issue disappears, migrate bookmarks and settings and retire the corrupted profile, which often fixes elusive background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.